Elements of Flash. Hello there. We're going to discuss the elements of Flash. They are the toolbox, stage, timeline, and panels. Come on, let's start discussing them one by one, shall we? Toolbox first. In the toolbox, we have many tools, such as selection, pencil, brush, and etc. These tools are used to draw, paint, select, and modify artwork, as well as change the view of the stage. Toolbox is divided into 4 sessions. The tool area contains drawing, painting, and selection tools. Zoom and panning tools are called the view section. Fill and stroke tools are called the color section, and modify tools are called option areas. Now, this is just an introduction to Toolbox. In the upcoming sections, we'll discuss how these tools work. Stage. We've already discussed about the stage and how to work in it, so let's move on to timeline. Below the stage, we have the timeline. In that, we have frames, layers, and playhead. Using timeline, we can perform animation. Frames allows us to perform, control, and organize animation. Whatever objects we place in stage are held by layers. It can also be animated object. Next, the playhead indicates the current frame, and the frame numbers are shown. We have different types of frames available in the timeline. Now, here we'll give only the introduction about timeline. In later sections, we'll discuss how to work in timeline and frames. Panels. Panels are used to modify our objects or stage. Under Window menu, we have such panels as Property, Align, Color, Info, and so on. In earlier versions, we called panels palettes. Fine. Now, if we want to place any panel in the interface, then go to Window menu and select any panel that we wish. It will appear like this. And the other floating panel. We can just drag and drop it anywhere we like. Here we've just given an introduction about panels. In upcoming sections, we'll discuss these panels in greater detail. So, we have discussed an outline, and we have an idea about the elements of Flash. In upcoming tutorials, we'll discuss all these elements in greater detail.